Hi, my name is Kiara and I will present some difference between British English and American English. Around the world, we can find series of differences between languages because there are a diversity in them. But what happens to those who are very similar and only have some difference? A popular case is that of the English language. This can confuse you when you are learning English, so I will explain some difference between American English and British English. The USA and the UK imperial history and modern influence over the world have changed the English wording forever. Because it was exported to countries all over the world, it has been forced to accept different versions of the same language, but the most known one to be British versus American. There are some differences in the words. For example, in British English you say trainers. In American English you say sneakers. In British English you say jumper or pullover. In American English you say sweater. In British English you say crisp. In American English you say potato chips. In British English you say jacket potato. In American English you say baked potato. In British English you say phone box. In American English you say phone butt. In British English you say chemist. In American English you say drugstore or pharmacy. In British English you say post. In American English you say mail. In British English you say braces. In American English you say suspenders. In British English you say peckish. In American English you say hungry. In British English you say bonnet. In American English you say hood. While there may be certain difference between British and American English, but both have more similarities. Accidentally using one instead of the other will not automatically lead to miscommunication. Americans and Brits can usually communicate with each other without too much difficulty, so don't be too hard on yourself if you are unable to memorize the nuances of both languages.